Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best peanut butter dog toothpaste is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items in maintaining your furry friend's overall health and happiness, as dental hygiene plays a crucial role in preventing a myriad of health issues that can affect their well-being, from gum disease and tooth loss to more serious systemic problems that can impact their vital organs and longevity, making it a vital component of responsible pet ownership. Number 5. Virbac C.E.T. Enzymatic Toothpaste. Introducing Virbac C.E.T. Enzymatic Toothpaste, the dental solution for your dogs and cats. It's specially formulated to reduce plaque and freshen breath, ensuring a clean and healthy mouth for your pet. We know pets can be picky eaters, so we've created a delicious poultry flavor that they'll love. This toothpaste makes dental care a treat, not a chore. Our toothpaste is 100% safe for your pets to swallow, as it contains no foaming agents. You can use it with confidence, knowing it's designed for their well-being. Trust the experts. Virbac is the #1 recommended dental brand by veterinary professionals. Our products are proudly made in the USA. For best results, use this toothpaste daily with a soft bristled toothbrush, like the C.E.T. dual-ended toothbrush. Always follow your veterinarian's specific directions for optimal dental care. It features the C.E.T. dual enzyme system, which works to inhibit the formation of plaque. This advanced formula helps maintain your pet's oral hygiene effectively. What we like. This toothpaste uses a unique enzymatic system to combat plaque and freshen breath. It's also safe for pets to swallow, making it a worry-free option. If your pet has a sensitive palate or you're concerned about them ingesting toothpaste, this is a great choice. What people say. My dogs all love the poultry-flavored toothpaste, and after 2 weeks of consistently brushing all of their teeth every evening, all of my dogs got used to the process and now they actually get excited when they see the toothbrush and toothpaste come out of the cabinet and they will literally line up for their turn. After just 3 days of consistent brushing, her breath has already improved. The texture and taste, they think it's a treat and their breath smells amazing afterwards. Easy to use as well. Number 4. Pawstruck Peanut Butter Filled Cow Hooves for Dogs. These dog chews are proudly made in the United States. We ensure the healthiest and safest ingredients by sourcing from free-range, grass-fed cattle. These treats are a great alternative to rawhide. They are carefully cleaned and roasted for a premium, low-odor chew your dog will love. Help your dog maintain excellent dental health with these hard chews. They work to remove plaque and tartar, leading to healthier gums and sparkling teeth. We believe all dogs deserve the best. That's why we only offer wholesome products that we proudly feed to our own dogs. We're excited about our new look. You may receive our product in either bag design during this transition, but the quality remains the same. What we like. These cow hooves are a long-lasting chew that also helps clean your dog's teeth. They are made from high-quality, natural ingredients, and are low in odor. If you're looking for a way to keep your dog occupied while also promoting dental health, these are an excellent alternative to rawhide. What people say. They're a good size and the filling doesn't fall out. It actually takes my dog almost an hour to get all the PB filling out. The hooves are the best quality I have ever seen. They can be reused with dog peanut butter so long as they are not cracked or large pieces chewed off. Peanut butter flavor combined with the hoof creates long-lasting enjoyment. No odor, great value, resealable bag, and good for their teeth and gums, in my opinion. Number 3. VIWIK 4-Pack Pet Toothbrush Kit. Introducing a complete dental care kit designed to maintain your pet's oral hygiene. This essential toolkit ensures your furry friend's teeth stay sparkling clean with gentle, effective brushing. Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free silicone, these toothbrushes are completely safe for your pet. The soft bristles are gentle on gums, making dental care a comfortable experience. These are designed to reach even the most difficult areas, ensuring a thorough clean. Plus, they are reusable and easy to clean, making them an eco-friendly choice for maintaining your pet's health. Available in 4 vibrant colors, these finger toothbrushes are designed to capture your pet's attention. This makes the brushing experience more enjoyable for both you and your furry companion. This kit is suitable for a wide variety of pets, including medium and large dog breeds. It's the perfect tool for keeping their teeth clean, especially when used with pet-safe toothpaste. Lightweight and compact, they are incredibly convenient to carry anywhere. You can easily fit them in your pocket or bag, ensuring your pet never misses their dental routine, at home or on the go. What we like. This kit provides 4 silicone finger toothbrushes in various colors to make brushing more engaging. The soft bristles are gentle on gums and designed to reach difficult areas. If you have multiple pets or want a fun, colorful way to introduce dental hygiene to your furry friends, this set is ideal. What people say. The brushes are soft and gentle. They don't hurt my gums, even when I'm super excited and wriggly during brushing time. The finger toothbrush is just right for my human's fingers. It stays on securely, making it easy for them to clean all my teeth, even those tricky ones in the back. The first time and every time since using the new finger VIWIK toothbrush, he has done a complete turnaround. No more fighting or pulling away. The soft 360-degree nippled finger brush does a great job cleaning the teeth and gently massaging his gums. Number 2. Jasper 360 Dog Toothbrush Kit. Experience a patented design that cleans every surface of your pet's teeth simultaneously. It removes 3x more plaque than standard brushes, leading to visibly whiter teeth and fresher breath in just days. Crafted from ultra-soft, food-grade silicone, these bristles are gentle enough for even the most sensitive gums. It provides a deep clean without irritation, making it ideal for puppies, seniors, and pets with gingivitis. The unique finger fit design offers complete 360 degrees control, allowing you to easily clean hard-to-reach back molars. It's the most effective way to ensure thorough dental care for your pet. Unlike traditional brushes, the soft silicone feels natural and playful, making brushing time a positive experience. Many owners report their pets now accept and even enjoy having their teeth cleaned. This long-lasting kit is dishwasher safe and can be sterilized, providing 6 to 12 months of daily use. It's a more economical choice compared to frequently replaced disposable options. This versatile brush is perfect for both dogs and cats of all breeds and sizes. It's designed to be the ideal dental care solution for all your furry companions. Designed to fit securely on any finger, thin or thick, with just a few drops of water. It stays in place throughout the cleaning process, ensuring a comfortable and effective experience. What we like. This toothbrush offers a patented 360-degree cleaning action with ultra-soft silicone bristles that remove significantly more plaque. It's designed for ease of use and is gentle enough for sensitive gums. If you're struggling with getting your dog to tolerate brushing or want a highly effective clean, this design is worth considering. What people say. This toothpaste is specifically designed for dogs, making it a safe and effective option for their dental hygiene. The peanut butter flavor is a great incentive for dogs to accept brushing, turning a chore into a more pleasant experience for both pet and owner. Regular use of this toothpaste helps to reduce plaque and tartar buildup, promoting healthier gums and fresher breath in dogs. Number 1. Wonder Paws Dental Powder for Dogs. Introducing Wonder Paws Dental Powder, the simple solution for your dog's dental health. Keep their smile bright and their breath fresh with ease. This powerful formula effectively removes plaque and tartar buildup. It helps prevent dental issues before they start, ensuring a healthier mouth. Watch as it gently lifts stains, revealing a whiter smile. Plus, it works to combat bad breath, leaving your furry friend's mouth feeling clean. Whether you have a playful puppy or a wise senior dog, this dental powder is suitable for all life stages. It's a comprehensive care solution for every dog. Each container provides 60 scoops, offering a generous supply for consistent dental care. Simply add it to their food for a hassle-free routine. What we like. This dental powder is an easy-to-use solution for improving your dog's dental health, targeting plaque, tartar, and stains while freshening breath. It's suitable for dogs of all ages and requires no brushing. If you're looking for a simple, no-fuss way to support your dog's oral hygiene, this powder is a convenient option. What people say. It really does help neutralize their breath. It really did improve my dog's breath after about 4 or 5 days, and it did reduce the amount of tartar on her teeth. Her breath is definitely way better than before, and I can tell it also helps with her build-up plaque. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.